Perseverance, the successor to NASA's immensely successful Curiosity rover, has finally landed. Curiosity, in its 8 years of living on the Mars, has found a lot of evidence that has helped humanity enhance its knowledge about the red planet, its the present and the past. So will Perseverance walk the path of its predecessor? How is Perseverance different from Curiosity? What will it do that Curiosity could not? Welcome back to Thought Control, and today we are going to discuss about Curiosity and Perseverance. Curiosity, probably the most famous of the Mars rovers and one that is still on active duty. Curiosity landed on Mars on 6th August 2012 with its original mission scheduled for the duration of only 2 years. It had a simple mission: look for signs to prove if the planet might once have been habitable for microorganisms. And to do that, NASA sent the rovers to Gale Crater, a huge impact site with a mountain at its center. But after 6 months of successful exploration, NASA extended mission indefinitely. Curiosity carries the largest and most advanced scientific instruments ever sent to other planets. Curiosity can take rock samples, analyze their formation structure, and send the data back to Earth, and can take images of not microscopic but very tiny things with a tool known as the Mars Hand Lens Imager. Just after landing, Curiosity found smooth, rounded pebbles, making us think about the existence of rivers and lakes in the Gale Crater for perhaps a million years or longer. It found the key ingredients for life like sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and carbon. Another important finding by the Curiosity rover was that it found that 2 forms of radiation that pose potential health risks to astronauts in deep space. NASA will use this data to design safer missions for human explorers. Ingenuity, Perseverance, and Moxie. Launch on July 30th, 2020. Perseverance will take about 7 months to complete its journey and land on the surface of Mars on Feb 18, 2021. It is scheduled to land in the Jezero crater, a site of an ancient lake and river delta, and its mission is to study rocks that form in the Mars' warm, wet past. It will also collect soil and rock samples to bring them back to Earth. Perseverance will look for microscopic fossilized cells as well as carbon-containing molecules, the building blocks of life on Earth. Stuffed beneath Perseverance belly is Ingenuity, a tiny little helicopter drone. Ingenuity is not tied to Perseverance mission. Its only motive is to achieve flight, as it's technically going to be the first vehicle to fly on another planet. Flying there is a challenge because the atmosphere on Mars is about 99% less dense than on Earth, which means that it needs to spin much faster than a helicopter on Earth. It uses solar panel to recharge and can fly for 90 seconds at a time. Another experiment that writes about Perseverance is Moxie, size of a car battery. The Mars Oxygen in situ resource utilization experiment is NASA's way to preparing for human exploration of Mars. Moxie is basically an oxygen generator. It makes oxygen like a tree does. It inhales carbon dioxide and exhales oxygen, which is lucky as Mars is around 96% carbon dioxide. But Moxie, just an experiment. Future oxygen generators that will support human missions will have to be about 100 times larger. So what's the conclusion? The robots we will use to explore space in the future will not look like the Curiosity rover or R2-D2. Instead, the future entails small network robots or nanosat robots that can be deployed cheaply by thousands. These tiny boats will be able to self-organize and quickly explore areas of interest. But that's not all. They will also be able to organize themselves into larger machines that can mine metals or even develop new vehicles. It looks like robots are going to be pioneering space explorer of the future. In fact, they already outnumber humans in space. But calculating the future is never that simple. With the advancements in technology that we have already talked about in the previous videos, it is not hard to imagine human bodies merging with robotics technologies in the next century or so, leading to human survivability even on other planets. Yes, you heard that right. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, please let us know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. क्या था इसमें दिखाते हुए बंद हुआ पड़ा है इंजेन्युइटी प्रीजर्वेंस
शुरू करते हैं सर।
अंताक्षरी लेके प्रभु का नाम
Hey you! Have you subscribed the channel? You haven't subscribed? Subscribe now! Click that button now! Now!